Hi guys! I'm here with Brooklyn again and we are going to play a subtraction game with you today. So what we have gathered is some Legos and we've gotten them for a set of 10, okay? Now if you don't have Legos laying around, that's okay. You could do anything. You just need 10 of them, okay? You also are going to need a die, just one of them. It can be dotted or it can have numbers. And then we're also going to use a little whiteboard here to write our subtraction problems. Now, if you don't have a whiteboard handy, you can just use a good old piece of paper. All right, so Brooklyn and I are going to play a round of Rochambeau to see who is going to roll first. And then we're going to play the game, and hopefully you can catch on with it, okay? All right, Brooklyn, here we go. Rochambeau. All right, we both got scissors. Let's try again, Brooklyn. Rochambeau. Okay, I've got rock. She has scissors. So rock crushes the scissors. So I'm going to roll first. But good job, though, Brooklyn. All right, so I'm going to take my die. I'm going to roll it. And I rolled out a 1. So with my stack of 10 Legos here, I'm going to remove only 1 Lego. So I'm going to remove 1. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a subtraction problem of what I just did. I have... Let me move over here. I started with 10. I took away 1 Lego. Now I have, and I can count them up, I have now 9 Legos. Now your goal is to see which player is going to have 0 Legos left in the end. That's a little tricky. All right, Brooklyn, let's see how you do. You're going to roll. And Brooklyn rolled a 3, so she's going to take her Legos and she's going to remove 3 of them. Let our friends so they can see. Got one more. There you go. Okay, Brooklyn, now you're going to write your problem. You can just do it right here on the table. So she started with 10 Legos, and then she's going to use the minus sign, and she took away 3, because that's what she rolled. And now, Brooklyn, how many Legos do you have left? 7 Legos left. And here's her problem that she wrote. All right, now that she's done, now it's my turn. Ooh, I rolled a 2. So out of my 9 Legos I had left, I'm going to remove 2 of them. 1, 2. And I'm going to write my problem about what I did. So I started with 9, and now I just took away a minus sign, 2 of them. 9 minus 2. I'm going to count up how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7. And now it's Brooklyn's turn. All right, Brooklyn. Ooh, she rolled a 1. So she had 7. And now she's going to remove 1. All right, and she's going to write her problem down. So you had 7 to start. And now you're going to minus, take away 1. And now how many do you have left, Brooklyn? 6. All right. And she wrote her problem, and now it's my turn again. All right. Ooh, I rolled a 5 this time. So out of the 7 I have left, I'm going to remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh. Okay, let me write out my problem. So this time I started with 7 Legos, and I rolled 5, so I had to take 5 away. And now I only have 2 left. All right, Brooklyn, it's your turn again. Ooh, Brooklyn rolled a 4, so out of her 6, she's going to remove 4. Ooh! All right, Brooklyn, so you started with 6, and then we took away, you rolled out 4, and now you have left 2. Ooh, we're tied right now. Okay, here I go. Oh, I rolled a 1. So out of my 2, I'm going to take away 1, and I have only 1 left. Ooh, it's getting really close. Okay, so I have 2, and I take away 1. That means I only have 1 left. Okay, Brooklyn, let's see what happens for you.
Please be a 2.
Oh, she rolled a 1 too. Okay, Brooklyn. Write out your. Oh, good job. Take away your Lego. So we started with 2, and we took away 1, and that equals 1. Ooh, we're tight again. Okay, let's see what happens now. This is where it gets really tricky, because that means I need to roll a 1! So I have the 1 Lego, and I take it away. So now I'm going to write what I did. I had 1 Lego, and then I rolled the 1. I took away 1, and now I left with 0. All right. But Brooklyn, let's see how your roll goes. Let's see if you roll a 1. If you don't, that's okay. She rolled a 5. Now she can't take 5 away from the 1, so that means that I won this time. But you know what, Brooklyn? Good job, nice try. You were an awesome partner. I hope you guys have fun playing this game. Let me know how it goes, guys. Bye.
Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Willie. Happy Monday morning. We're going to work on some facts, and these are facts that we have been working on before. Remember, we're really working on subtracting half a double. So we're going to go through and we're going to go ahead and we're going to identify those before I set my timer for us to work on them. So remember, subtracting half a double. So you're going to think about your doubles facts, the numbers that work together as a team, and then you're going to identify them in subtraction problems, okay? So the first one is 12 minus 6. Oh, Miss Willie forgot to tell you which one we're doing today. We're doing 132B. Miss Willie wasn't even on the right side. 132B. Okay. 10 minus 2. Is that subtracting a double? Nope. What about 14 minus 7? Is that subtracting half a double? Yes, it is. So go ahead and circle it. 10 minus 8. Nope. 6 minus 3? Yes, half a double. Go ahead and circle it. 3 minus 2? No. What about 7 minus 6? No. What about 10 minus 5? That's subtracting half of a doubles fact. 9 minus 7? Nope. 10 minus 9? Nope. What about 16 minus 8? That is subtracting half of the double fact. Good. Next row, 5 minus 3? No. 8 minus 4? Yes. 4 minus 3? Nope. 5 minus 5? Nope. 12 minus 6? Subtracting half the doubles fact. Good job. One more row. Last row. 3 minus 0? Nope. 6 minus 4? Nope. 18 minus 9? Half a doubles fact. 8 minus 7? And 4 minus 2. You're right. That is half a doubles fact. Now, you're going to get out your pencil. And remember, our goal is for you to be able to answer these in 2 minutes. So, get your pencil out and ready to start. Remember, if you do finish in the 2-minute time frame, I want you to go through and double check to make sure you didn't make any simple errors. And are you ready? Miss Willie has her timer ready to begin. Go! Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Willie. Happy Monday morning. We're going to work on some facts, and these are facts that we have been working on before. Remember, we're really working on subtracting half a double. So we're going to go through and we're going to go ahead and we're going to identify those before I set my timer for us to work on them. So remember, subtracting half a double. So you're going to think about your doubles facts, the numbers that work together as a team, and then you're going to identify them in subtraction problems, okay? So the first one is 12 minus 6. Oh, Miss Willie forgot to tell you which one we're doing today. We're doing 132B. Miss Willie wasn't even on the right side. 132B. Okay. 10 minus 2. Is that subtracting a double? Nope. What about 14 minus 7? Is that subtracting half a double? Yes, it is. So go ahead and circle it. 10 minus 8. Nope. 6 minus 3? Yes, half a double. Go ahead and circle it. 3 minus 2? No. What about 7 minus 6? No. What about 10 minus 5? That's subtracting half of a doubles fact. 9 minus 7? Nope. 10 minus 9? Nope. What about 16 minus 8? That is subtracting half of the double fact. Good. Next row, 5 minus 3? No. 8 minus 4? Yes. 4 minus 3? Nope. 5 minus 5? Nope. 12 minus 6? Subtracting half the doubles fact. Good job. One more row. Last row. 3 minus 0? Nope. 6 minus 4? Nope. 18 minus 9? Half a doubles fact. 8 minus 7? And 4 minus 2. You're right. That is half a doubles fact. Now, you're going to get out your pencil. And remember, our goal is for you to be able to answer these in 2 minutes. So, get your pencil out and ready to start. Remember, if you do finish in the 2-minute time frame, I want you to go through and double check to make sure you didn't make any simple errors. And are you ready? Miss Willie has her timer ready to begin. Go!
Hi friends, it's Miss Pingle. It's Marvelous Monday, May 11th, 2020, and I'm here to complete the math strategy paper 132B. As we always do, please write your name at the top of the paper using your very best handwriting. We are just a few days away from becoming official first graders, so we need to practice our first and our last name, especially if we want to impress our first grade teachers. Show them your beautiful handwriting. Number 1. Write the number that is 10 more than each number. So we need to add 10 or count by tens from each starting number. 6 plus 10 is 16. 26 plus 10 is 36. The groups of 10 increase, but the ones stay the same. 62 plus 10 would be 72. Number 2. How much money is this? I see 3 quarters. Quarters are worth 25 cents. And pennies are worth 1 cent. So again, we did not get to do this fancy lesson with you, but have no fear. First grade teachers will be here and they will teach you how to add quarters. So just follow along with me. The first quarter is 25 cents. When I add another 25 cents, it will become 50. And when I add another 25 cents, it will be 75. Now I need to switch and count by ones when I add my little tiny 1 cent penny. 1 more than 75 is 76. There is 76 cents in the rectangle below. Number 3. I will take 1 marble from the bag without looking. What color am I most likely to get? Well, let's see. There are 1, 2, 3 R for reds. There are 0 Y for yellows. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B for blues. I think I'm most likely to get blues because there are 5, and that is the greatest number inside that bag. What color is impossible for me to get? Impossible means it can never, ever, ever, ever happen. Yellow. There are 0 yellows. There just can't magically appear a yellow, so it's impossible for me to get. So I want you to write the color word yellow on the line. Yellow, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Good job. How many out of how many marbles are red? Well, I know that there are 3 red out of how many total marbles do you see? I see 8. 3 out of 8 marbles are red. Number 4, write an addition and subtraction fact family using the numbers 2, 8, and 10. A fact family. A fact family is a group of 3 numbers that always belong together. They will never leave each other to create facts. So for example, Mrs. Pingle, Mr. Pingle, and cats are 3 things that live inside our house. We will never break up. We will always belong together. Now, the order that we're all in, who goes first, second, or third, can change. But the fact remains that the 3 of us will always belong together to create a family. Same thing for numbers. 3 numbers like 2, 8, and 10 will always go together to do addition facts and subtraction facts. So first I'm going to use these numbers to write 2 addition facts. I'll start off with the numbers as they are. 2 plus 8 equals 10. That will always be true. They will never break up to create that fact. Now switch the orders and reverse them. 8 plus 2 will equal 10. And now we can do the subtraction. Subtraction will always start with the greatest number. But again, these 3 numbers will always go together to form a subtraction fact. 10 minus we'll start with 2, equals 8. Remember, they're a family. They're always going to stay together to create a fact. It's just the different orders that we're putting them in. And we'll start off with 10. And now we'll switch to the other number, 8. And we'll end up with a difference of 2. All 4 of these equations have the numbers 2, 8, and 10. They're just in different orders because they are a fact family that belongs together. Let's continue on. Finish these number patterns. 5, 10, 15. What is the pattern that you see? Counting on by 5s or plus 5s. So we're going to count and write the numbers to finish the patterns. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And the next pattern, 70, 60, 50. What is the pattern? Subtracting 10 or counting down from 70 by 10s. Let's finish the pattern as we say the numbers out loud. 70, 60, 50, whisper and write, 40, 30, 20. If these were hard for you, have no fear. My main man, Jack Hartman, is here. If you like, you can search YouTube for Jack Hartman's Counting by 5s or Counting by 10s, and he will help you get moving and grooving and ready to learn. Number 6, finish the answers. We're going to add and subtract 2-digit double addition. Let's begin. 68 minus 10. Remember, the groups of 10 get smaller. 58. 29 minus 10 is 19. The groups of 1 stay the same. And because we had a few days off and our brain's a little bit sleepy, you might have forgotten how to do addition and subtraction, double-digit money. So I will help. We will begin by subtracting or adding the groups of 1. And then we'll move on to the groups of 10. So starting with the pennies. 7 minus 1 equals 6. And then move over to the dimes. 6 minus 4 equals 2. There you go. 3 plus 3, groups of pennies first. 6. Move over to the groups of tens or the dimes. 3 plus 5 equals, it's an oddball, I know it's a little bit tricky, 8. Last one, 56 minus 42. You try. If you did 14 cents, you are correct. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be back another day to try to help you. Marvelous Monday is now complete with math learning. Congratulations, my friend. Day 1, you did a marvelous job. Keep up the good work, be kind, and remember, all of the kindergarten teachers love and miss you very much. Stay sweet, Kinder.